In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squoosh. Squoosh is a simple, browser-based tool that makes it easy to shrink image file sizes while keeping them looking great. Whether you're prepping photos for a website or sending images over email, this workflow will help you get smaller files without sacrificing clarity. First, open your browser and head to squoosh.app. You can drag and drop an image straight into the window or click the upload icon to pick a file from your device. Common formats like JPG and PNG work perfectly. As soon as it loads, Squoosh will set up a side-by-side view so you can immediately see what's changing. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a vertical slider. On the left is your original image. On the right is the compressed preview. Click and drag that slider to compare details like textures, edges, and text. This live comparison is your guide to finding the best balance between quality and size. If something looks off, like blocky gradients or fuzzy lettering, pull the slider back and refine your settings. Now let's adjust the compression settings using the panels on the bottom right. Start with the format. WebP is a modern, efficient choice that works well for most uses. MozJPEG is excellent for photos with lots of color and detail. OxyPNG is ideal for graphics, logos, or images that need crisp, clean lines. Pick the format that suits your image type and destination. Next, set the quality. A value around 75 to 80 is a reliable starting point for sharp-looking results at a much smaller size. Move the quality slider slowly and watch the preview on the right. Aim for the smallest file size that still looks clean when you drag the comparison slider across important areas like faces, text, or gradients. If you also need a smaller dimension, toggle the resize option. This is great for taking a 4,000 pixel wide image down to something like 1,600 pixels for web use. Keep the aspect ratio locked to avoid distortion, and don't upscale. Resizing should reduce, not enlarge, your image. As you make changes, look at the bottom of the window for the estimated output size. This number updates in real time, so you can see exactly how much space you're saving. When you're happy with the preview and the estimated reduction, click the blue download icon in the bottom right. Your compressed image will save to your device, ready to upload, share, or publish. That's all there is to it. Upload, compare, adjust, and download. With a few mindful tweaks, Squoosh helps you keep images looking sharp while dramatically cutting file size.